Fake project.
Hi, you're welcome back. With me today for my personality and event, I have Jojo Abojise.
Agrono penche, agrono penche, agrono penche.
Jojo, at the saying.
Madam.
So what's up with this agrono penche?
Abojise ni de oba respond I will no say agrono penche because it now see the agrono more of them. Yeah.
So tell me, you call yourself Jojo Abojise.
Yeah.
That's your show business.
Yeah, that's the show business.
So what's up with the Abojise? Because your Abojise is quite short.
Abojise ni de but short. If we sumu pa echi from cry.
Right. Okay, Jojo, let's talk a bit about your career as a musician. How long have you been in the music industry for?
I've been following music for quite a long time now. For the past, say, about 6 years, I've been following music. Yeah, and then probably now I released my debut album. That was last year.
So since last year, how has the response been?
The response has been very great. And then this first album, I really focused on doing the work of God first.
The work of God first.
Yeah, the work of God. It was very, very important.
Thinking about you doing the work of God first, then why didn't you venture into gospel music then?
No, my part of music, Hip Life, we have a lot of youth, very vibrant, energetic youth who listen to Hip Life, most of them don't have the time to listen to gospel. So I thought, I can reach out to them, those number of people, and then impact some God-fearing in them. Yeah, so that brought about the Judgment Day track.
I'm a tuturumentu bin so ashene akontabuo brana ben enche awadi bebuja ten ya twene bible muduka say de wudi anenu ana wuta okonfuo wudifuo obiara esuna sembia you say
why Judgment Day? Because if you relate the album with the Bible, if you read Matthew, Jesus Christ was talking about the second coming. And his disciples were asking him what were going to be the signs for we to know that the time is near. He told them a lot of things. Some being when he's about to come, there will be a rise in false prophets. Yeah, nations will be rising against nations. Lawlessness will rise, will be in increase. And then talking about what we are seeing now, we are seeing all of those things that Jesus Christ prophesied about. So I think the Judgment Day is in the right position, and it came out at the right time, where now the world is in chaos, if I may say.
Talking about the Judgment Day, there's rumors ongoing that indeed the world is coming to an end. 21st December 2012.
No, I don't believe in any date. I don't believe in a date. I believe in the prophecies that Christ made. Yeah, if we relate it to that, we will know that now.
Even today,
we are living at the end time. So we just have to be aware. The album is already out, and then the Judgment Day, it doesn't only have the Gospel Judgment Day, which was talking about the second coming. It has a lot of songs, francophone tunes, live tunes.
You speak French as well?
Not really.
Okay.
But then francophone tunes has to do with
francophone rhythms,
beats, rhythms,
right.
Yeah. And then it has love songs, love that talks about, say, love which goes on in marriage, you understand? Yeah.
What inspires you to do your music? Do you write your own music?
I write my own music.
Then what inspires you?
The everyday life inspires me a lot. Yeah, because sometimes I have to sit in trotro. Yeah, I bow trotro just to get the inspiration of what is going on the ground. Because if you live as in, say, how we have it as in Star way. You might not, know what is going down on the ground. So life in general inspires me a lot, and God Almighty
also inspires me. I'm not letting you off the hook. I'm not letting you go before you give me a line or two. I want you to give me a freestyle.
Wow.
So take it away.
I think Tinia Mikaina want to. Tinia Mikaina want fashe infime if your body no hon tisha kasa we so na fa bo abrabo embiri bi beba fefedi ebeja no ho swenti o hwani o wa meti kopo na eba chen lot ne yira ma ne hunu wa hwe ne etoto ye mbebunu owenfo oba nya we obrenye na me fa nto chacha encoding to chacha encoding.
Great.
Thank you so much. And thanks to TV Africa, man. You're doing a great work. Thank you. And New Generation is the best show, most informative, most resourceful program on TV. Yeah.
You're far.
I love TV Africa, and I love New Generation.
Well, thank you for that. And if people watching at home want to get a CD of yours,
of my album, you can go to Big Ben in Accra here. You can go to Takrade, Abeku. You can go to Kumasi, Pat Thomas. Man, it's out. And then if you see the video, you can just take the number. And I was so overwhelmed that when the Judgment Day video touched air, there was thousands of calls, telling me that they love what I'm doing. So I think I'm in the right path.
Great job you're doing. And
Thank you.
New Generation can't wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you so much for having me.
In all your endeavors.
Thank you.
And to you viewers at home, you stay tuned. We'll be right back after this break. Don't go
Yen riding in him. Yen riding in him.